3 meters wide. So as you can see, these are the big rocks. These are the big rocks right now. We're going to break this one maybe around sometime around next week, because we are focusing on the clearing of our area there, so that by the time that we break these rocks, we are going to start the excavation also of for the columns, and for the columns of our residential house and the columns of our fence. So right now, this is what it looks like. Before, it is full of trees and full of grass. So right now there's also a lot of rocks, stones here. So we're going also to break this one.